Experiences that have marked my life. Hi, my name is Lady Viviana Mejia, and this is the level 6 Achievements and Goals. I graduated from high school in 2013. I bought my first motorcycle when I was 16 years old. I graduated with a degree in human talent management technology in 2015. I started my business in 2020 and have been at it for 5 years now. My travels. I visited I visited cities like Cartagena, Cali, Bogota, Santa Marta, Barranquilla, among others. I haven't traveled abroad yet, but I like to. I, I've visited the Tatacoa Desert in Huila. I've seen the ocean in Santa Marta and Cartagena. I've hiked through the forest in Mutatá. I've visited Nevado del Ruiz. Experiences in transportation. I have traveled by plane and helicopter several times. It is fun. I haven't ridden a train, but I like to go to Europe and explore all the cities by train. Anecdote. Anecdote. When I was 5 years old, I was with my family on the beach, playing while they enjoyed the world. While I was playing, I got lost and I had to go to the police for help. I met them 2 hours later. They were very worried. Important people in my life. My whole family is the most important people in my life. I met my best friend in high school. She has been a fundamental support in my life. In 2020, I met my boyfriend on a family outing. Since that, since that day, we've shared many experiences and our love has only grown. In 2024, the love of my life was born. Her name is Maria Victoria, and she is my niece. I love her very much. A strange experience. One day, my boyfriend and I were at his house watching a horror movie. Right at the most tense part, his Alexa started laughing on, on its own. We jumped and fried, and instead of turn it off, he asked her, "Please don't kill us." Since then, we've called her the third in the relationship. Thank you so much.